4 arrested in massive 26 guns and 641 rounds of ammunition find at the Kingston WHARFs.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
4 men are now behind bars after a cache of firearms, including a Uzi submachine gun and more than 600 rounds of ammunition were found in a barrel at the Kingston WHARF on Wednesday, October 3. The Constabulary's Corporate Communications Unit said 2 of the men were arrested at the wharf, while the others were apprehended in secondary operations. Law enforcement sources say the Uzi submachine gun, along with 9 pistols, 26 magazines, and 640 assorted rounds of ammunition, and 1 silencer were stashed in a barrel that also contained food items. The barrel was shipped from Georgia in the United States and listed the recipient as a man from the Mona Road, Kingston 6 area. According to reports, detectives from the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Division, CTOC, conducted a snap operation at Berth 7 at the Kingston Container Terminal, where the barrel was scanned and anomalies discovered. The weapons were found during a subsequent search. On Thursday, October 4, 16 more firearms were seized at the Kingston port as operations continued, following the seizure of 10 firearms and approximately 640 rounds of ammunition at the location on the previous day. Reports are that the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigations Branch, the JCF's Narcotics Division, and Jamaica Customs Contraband Enforcement Team conducted secondary operations at the container terminal, where they discovered an additional 16 9mm pistols, 16 magazines, and 1 9mm round of ammunition. The operations, which began Wednesday morning, have so far led to a seizure total of 26 firearms, 641 rounds of ammunition, 42 magazines, and 1 silencer in 24 hours.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.